గాయ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ రమ్య ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ వ్లాగ్స్. సో ఈరోజు మా కంపెనీది 3rd యాన్యువల్ డే అనమాట. ఆఫీస్లో సెలబ్రేషన్ అయిన తర్వాత మాకు రెస్టారెంట్లో డిన్నర్ అరేంజ్ చేశారు ఈవినింగ్.
Millions of students with about 100 mock tests over the weekends. An intense Monday morning analysis that provides granular insights and techniques for your weak areas.
Can we all agree we are no longer a startup, we are an established company now, crossing 3 years. We should look at ourselves as an established company with lots of successes behind.
ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడేది ఎవరంటే శ్రీ చైతన్య ఫౌండర్ ఉన్నారు కదా, సత్యనారాయణరావు గారు. ఆయన లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ చనిపోయారనమాట. సో ఆయన డాటర్ అనమాట. ఈవిడ స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్గా ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు మా కంపెనీకి. సో ఆవిడ మాట్లాడుతున్నారనమాట.
Though we had a dream of building an edtech company with a lot of digital learning features that are useful for every student, and as you know, our dream always has been to keep the student at the center of our world and make sure everything we do is beneficial to the student. And that has been our vision and goal, throughout our journey. Rest all falls around it, right? And I hope everyone at Infinity Learn is motivated to do that. The number of students we motivate every day, the number of students we teach every day, the number of students we mentor every single day, every single year.
ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే అసలు ఈ కంపెనీని ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అని చెప్పి చిన్న స్కిట్ లాగా పర్ఫామ్ చేశారనమాట.
My name is Infinity Learn, and for short you can call me Learner. So let's rewind. In 2022 I was more static. I had great content thanks to Ganesh Pai. I'm sorry, I can't thank a human. So thanks to don't memorize, I got great content. It's like having a car of your grandpa. It's dependable but doesn't have any credit. And that's when, that was a nice sound. And that's when I got a talk. If you don't know it, anytime, anywhere app. Insomnia, no problem. 3 a.m. you can study along with me. Traveling, no problem. You can study along with me. And then have you heard of CYOT? Anyone? Yes. What is it? It's like I understand where my learner is, and thereby practice sessions are provided by that. And then next, boom to video content. Wherever there is a problem, no more sitting back and thinking of what has happened to physics, or thinking about the tutor who has been a little grumpy on a student. If they ask, do decimals have a point? You can ask this question. You can follow the video programs, created in capsule modules, digest them easily, or probably here, somewhere. Humans, so you try that bit. And then I had another upgrade. That embedded a knowledge graph in me, and which means actually mapping up entire learning journey of a learner through the app. Last one and not the least one, is Learn Vista, a virtual, intelligent, tailored, simulated program that enables learners through all the segments of upgrades that I have spoken about to bring the journey alive for the learner. Thank you all. Thanks. Pleasure meeting you.
एक साल में एक बार भी पीछे मुड़कर देखा नहीं, कर रहे थे कम्पीट हो जितने सारे अरब साइड शराब बदमाशी हो रही है, ताज़ी हो रही है, माहौल बनाते हैं आज यहाँ पे पार्टी हो रही है।
Today is such an important day because
ఈయన మా CEO అనమాట. మా కంపెనీ లోగో గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. అసలు ఆ లోగో ఎలా పెట్టాము, ఆ లోగోలో ఉన్న మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అని చెప్పి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు అనమాట. ఒకసారి వినండి మీరు.
the top arrow, piece of the top arrow represents all the faculty. The bottom of that arrow represents the platform, the vista, all the technology, content, the hard work product team does. And the third arrow, which is leaning on this arrow, third line which is leaning on this arrow, is the learner. As Shishmaji was saying that the learner depends on us. The teacher and the platform, which we call EdTech, education over technology, the teacher and the platform builds that arrow on which any learner can depend. And here on, we take the ownership of making them better every day. And that's what Infinity Learn is all about. That's what Infinity is telling us.
Again, Ankur Nalgunwar. Congratulations, Ankur. Those who are not having any snacks, you don't have any reason to stop clapping. Cheer for them. Content Innovation Champion Award K10, Gutti Anup Kumar.
ownership is very important. Wherever you are, however long you are, because life is again a journey, and we pick up so many things and learn so many things on the way. And I truly believe that we can multitask so much compared to every other man out here. So, I hope that's the goal and we try to do that. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
సో ఇక్కడ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయితే అయిపోయింది. మాకు నైట్ డిన్నర్ అరేంజ్ చేశారనమాట రెస్టారెంట్లో. సో అక్కడికే వెళ్తున్నాము. వెళ్ళే దారిలో నాకు ఈ ప్లేస్ అయితే అసలు భలే నచ్చింది. ఆ బిల్డింగ్స్ చూడండి నైట్ టైం ఎంత బాగా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా, అందుకే వీడియో తీశాను మీకు కూడా చూపిద్దామని. రెస్టారెంట్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. మీరు వీడియో లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. హాయ్ చెప్పండి. ఈరోజు వీడియో మీకు ఈ ప్లేస్ నచ్చిందా? నచ్చితే కనుక తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేసి ఈ వీడియో ఎలా అనిపించిందో కమెంట్ చేసి నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. బాయ్ బాయ్.